Hello, everyone. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, friends. I'm back again with a new video, and this week's topic will be scanning stocks for trading. So, before we start, I just want to share some experience with you. Like a disclaimer, you can say that these videos are made by me from the knowledge I have gained from attending various courses. I have done a lot of international and Indian courses where I have learned trading properly in a professional manner, and I'm a professional trader for last 7 years, and I'm doing full-time trading, which is like everyday trading, day trading. You can say for last 2.5 years, and this experience which I've gathered is from a lot of uh, time which has been invested into learning markets from various books, videos, and paid courses. I spent a lot of money, so the content which I'm sharing is worth a lot of money, so please pay attention to this. Okay, so now coming to today's topic is scanning stocks for trading. So I'm going to cover three topics today, which is scanning stocks or futures for daily trading, and then identifying oversold and overbought by using money flow index, and also how to check fundamentals of any stocks, and what are the parameters you should follow to check whether the company is good for an investing purpose or not. Because I feel, apart from your trading, day-to-day trading, you should always take the profits from your day trading and invest in building a portfolio of good companies, so that in long term you will gain from both. Okay, so let's get started. So how do we scan stocks for day trading? There are various methods, and I will show you the easy methods, and there are difficult method also. So there are certain sites which I'm not sure if you have heard of them. One site is Top Stock Research, and the other site is Charting. Okay, so I will take you down to these sites one by one and explain in detail, and then we'll come back to these slides. So first we'll go to Top Stock Research and see what this site has to offer. So as you can see, Top Stock Research, this is a site, and we have so many scanners here: intraday scanners, custom screeners, charts, end of the day screeners, end of the day trends, moving average, highs, lows, overbought, oversold, chart patterns, FNO, financial screeners, portfolio watch list, and all that. So and there's one more site which is charting. Let us open that as well. Okay, this is the one which I use for day trading. So they have like lot of screeners available, and I'll tell you which are the ones which are good. Okay, as you can see, there are fundamental scans, top load, candlestick patterns, range breakout scans, bullish scans, bearish scans, intraday bearish, intraday bullish, crossover. So you have learned I'm assuming that everybody knows the basic technical analysis of like Bollinger Bands or super trends, or golden crossovers, moving average crossovers. So how do you find those stocks in intraday to see that which ones to be traded, because it's not possible to track all the stocks. So I would suggest that you should stick for one kind of a scanner, like I used to use this potential breakouts, or use super trends positive breakout in last 10 minutes. If you click on this, you'll get the scanner, and you get to see, these are the stocks which are satisfying the condition of super trend 10 minutes. So you can change the settings here if you're using 7, or you can use 14 and 2, and you can say that cash or futures. You can say futures and then scan. So Adani Power is the only thing which is available. So you can go through the chart and analyze whether this is correct or not. Okay, then we can also look at potential breakouts. Okay, so if stock passes all of the above, if you want to do cash, you can do cash, or you can do futures and run scan. There are no stocks here. So obviously market is closed today. So but in the live market, those work well. So you can also check by daily RSI, oversold, overbought conditions, and then you can say NR7 current narrow range candles, 7 candles for current day, and see which one is breaking out. So for my favorites are these, like Super Trend Daily, which I have created for myself. So this gives me like whichever stock is breaking out on a daily candle. So I run this every day and see Birlasoft, ONGC, Hindalco, Coal India, Kajaria Cement, Jubilee Foods. All these crossed the super trend on a daily basis. Let's check Hindalco, for example. Like you can see here, I will change the script to, or we can just go to equity Hindalco. So this is a 3-minute chart. Let's look at daily chart. Yes, you can see the candle has broken the super trend and it's given a bullish sign. So these scans work properly. Only agenda which I'm showing the chart is to ensure that these are correct scans. So this is how you can scan, and there are a lot of scans which you are comfortable, like you can use Bollinger Band scans, you can use RSI scans, you can use super trend, you can, there are scans like buy intraday, doji, candlestick patterns, bullish engulfing. Bollinger Band squeeze is also a good scan. One of my favorite used to be in the initial days is open is equal to high and open is equal to low. I used to just pick up stocks which has open is equal to high and short every day, and that gave me really good profit. But nothing works permanently in the market. They keep changing. There are seasons, few things work and few things don't work. So in sideways market, open highs do not work. They will not give you money. And you can try various things. You should learn everything, and according to the market you should trade as a 2050 crossover short. So this is about scanning, and there is one more site, if I remember. This is called EQSIS. Yes, yeah. So this site is also a good site where you can actually do uh, get trade signals on a live market. So you can choose bearish list, day gainer, day loser, stock near intraday high, against market, open high, open low, bearish. This is how it shows, and this is a bullish sign. So this stock is bullish and it's already reached the maximum potential. You have to always find stocks which are here or here so that you can hit your target still here. And even this is short, the target is still here. So like this, you have to find stocks on a intraday basis, and you can also do some end of the day screeners are also there, so you can check this. So you can say possible breakout, Techem, REC, Bajaj Auto, Equitas, Ujjivan, or you can say above 20-day moving average, above 5-day and above 20-day. This is also a good filter. Then RSI overbought, RSI oversold. Okay, between above pivot, below pivot. Now, this is a very good site. You can check and play around with it. Whichever filter suits you, you can use this. And mostly RSI overbought or oversold works very well. Okay, now coming to the next topic, which is how do you find stocks for daily trading, like swing trading. So one of the best methods is to use oversold stocks. In oversolds, you can go to top stock research, and then there is RSI, there is Williams percentage R, money flow index, and as you can see CCI fast stochastic. So money flow index is a great tool because it combines both the cash flow as well as volume, yeah, which is price action plus volume plus the money which is flowing. So this is a good indicator which you can look at blue chip shares, future and option shares, mid cap, and see future and options, and which is satisfying. So LIC Housing Finance is oversold for last 4 days. That means it is at the bottom. MFI is 18. So this is similar to what RSI. This is the reading of this is similar as RSI, where you see overbought and oversold. So this is a potential buy candidate. You can actually look out for these kind of candidates for swing trading and then take it forward. Otherwise, you can use the super trend method also, which I have shared. Daily super trend, daily candle closing above the super trend 14 and 2. That is also a good tool. And let's also look at other screeners available here. ADX indicator is also there. MACD is there. Above Bollinger Bands. Can trending ADX indicator for very strong trending stocks 60 plus. Which are the stocks, future and options? You can see Tata Steel is trending above 60. The again, after finding these kind of stocks, you should always go and do your own research. Like if you want to check Tata Steel, what is Tata Steel doing? Okay, so Tata Steel has been falling. The trend is down on a daily basis. I don't see any, for me indicator is not giving me any bullish sign, but it's a potential to be added to the watch list. The day when you see this is breaking the super trend, you can get into the trade. Actually, it has closed above 20 period moving average. You can still go long in this by putting your stop loss just below this as a swing trade. And swing trade position sizing has to be smaller. You cannot have the same kind of position sizing. If you're buying 100 shares intraday, your swing trading quantity should be 5 or 10. That kind of ratio you need to manage. Okay, so then now let's check what all we have covered. We have covered top stock research, charting, and examples we have seen potential breakout, super trend, and in top stock research, MFI we have seen, oversold, overbought we have seen, and using ice charts. So ice charts is what I have not shown you. So let me show you eye charts as well. Okay, this is also a good site. This site actually gives you complete end of the day all indicator data which you can download. As you can see when you log in, so you have this There are a lot of options available here. J charts and our premium model is also available, but I would prefer to see end of the day screener. So this is the screener. You have symbols, you have all the data of all the moving averages, ADX, stochastic, CSI, PSAR, momentum, candle patterns are also there, Bollinger patterns are also there, ADX is also there. So you can check any of this, and how much percentage per day, per week, per month. You can use all these filters. You can just simply export this data and it comes right into your hand, and you can do analysis by putting your Excel formulas and derive some data from there, and you can put multiple parameters on this and then filter your stocks on end of the day basis. You can also do it basis the candlestick pattern, like if somebody just wants to look at candlestick patterns like engulfing line, or shooting star bearish. So oroforma is a shooting star. Check oroforma. Let's see what is oroforma doing. So I don't see any shooting star forming here. So this is how you have to check whether the data what you're getting is right or wrong. But you are narrowing down your search, so it's not difficult to check like 5 to 6 stocks and see which works well according to your understanding of technical analysis. Okay, so now let's see. So I've shown you eye charts, and I think I've covered all the topics in this. So let's go to the next topic, which is a most important topic, but not widely used. It is only used by investors and not traders. Mostly we use technical analysis, but yes, you should always know how to analyze stocks fundamentally as well. So I've given a list of things which you can actually use it as a formula to analyze any stock. And where do you use this formula? I will take you to that site. So there is this site, good site called screener.in. Oops. Screener.in. Can just go to this site. Okay, this site gives you actually a lot of filters by which you can search for stocks, growth stocks, undervalued growth stocks, lost to profit companies, magic formula and all. So I have my own screens. Okay, so these are my screens. So I go to my screener. So I'm getting a list of stocks by the kind of formula I have put in, and these are the stocks, and what are the conditions it is satisfying, like current market price, P ratio, market cap, dividend yield percentage, net profit quarter profit variance percentage, sales per quarter, quarterly sales variance percentage, return on capital invested, peg ratio, current market price, book value, price to book value, and all this. So you have to use this formula to write this query, and then run this query to get this result. Okay, and what is the formula? Let me just take you through that. So you will say that current price greater than 100 and market capitalization greater than 1000 crores, price to book value less than 5, debit to equity less than 1, and interest coverage greater than 3 and operational profit margin 5 years greater than price to earning, and PEG ratio less than 1, PEG ratio greater than 0, and average return on capital employed 3 years, for 3 years greater than 22%, and price to earning less than 15%. So these two I have added on my own to further fine tune it, but you can let go of these two and you can pick and choose. If you feel that only 3 or 4 required, I can still do my technical analysis after scanning the stocks. You can do that. So now let's see the results which I've got. So I've got this as HEG company. So let's see what kind of company is this. HEG Limited is engaged in leading manufacturing and export of graphite electrodes in India and operates world's largest single site integrated graphite electrodes. So we can go to this company's site and then check what this company does. So we can actually go to this site and see how big is the company, and you get all this market cap information, current price, 52 weeks high low, book value, stock P, dividend, ROC, return on equity 109%, EPS is 631, price to earning is 1.5, debt to equity is, interest coverage ratio 161. So you can also see the chart for the company. It has gone down from a price of 4,000 rupees in last 1 year, so which is not good. So you can see pros. Stock is trading at 1.06 times its book value. Stock is providing a good dividend of 7.8%. Company is expected to give good quarter results. Company has good consistent profit of 96.11 over 5 years. There are no cons in this. And what are the competition to this? Graphite India, Panasonic Carbon. And quarterly results you can see. Let's look at net profit. 2016 negative, 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 positive. 17 September 17 onwards is positive, and it has been growing consistently till December. In March 19 and June 19 started dropping. So net profit also, March 2016 it's negative, March 17 it's negative, 18 it's profitable, 19 it's profitable. So the company is growing. If you see 18 and 19 March, it has grown substantially, and projected growth is also big this year. So you should find companies like this. Assets are also good, liabilities fine. So you have to analyze these companies like this and then buy some shares in these companies for long-term investment and build a portfolio. So you can see the company site, R&D center, graphite electrodes, power division, carbon specialty, and all this. You can check the sites. Tata Elxsi, Excel Industries, Internet Paper, Mithun Alloys, Bharat Electron, Sheshashai Papers, Tata Metallics, DCM Shriram, West Coast Paper, GVS Pharma, TV Today Network. Surprising, TV Today is also falling in this. Pharma Cochin Shipyard is a very good company by fundamentals. So all these 18 companies are really good on fundamentals. You can do your analysis on this and search your stocks like this and then take it forward. Okay, so we have covered fundamental analysis. So I think I have covered the topics which I promised for today. Scanning stocks, oversold, overbought, checking fundamentals of stocks. So that's it, guys. That's it for today. And have a great weekend, and keep commenting on my videos and motivate me to make better videos, and do subscribe to my channel, and thank you for watching.